Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Monatoken. Ticker symbol is LISA. This token is about to start their pre-sale in about 6 days on Pinksale.finance. Brand new token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token does have a full audit. So they were audited by Interfi Network, and you can view the full PDF of that audit on Pinksale. So this is an Ethereum token. They're going to have a public pre-sale. You don't have to be on a whitelist or anything like that to get involved. The pre-sale will start exactly October 7th, 21 hours UTC time, and it's going to go for 2 days until October 9th. 21 hours UTC time. Now, soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 2 Ethereum, and there is no hard cap, so basically the pre-sale will just continue until time runs out. Now, if you do miss this pre-sale, if you're watching this video way later, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new pre-sales, these new tokens, but second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Uniswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there. By funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the LISA token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Monatoken.com. You probably will not have to change slippage, maybe to 0.5%, because taxes are nil. There is no taxes on this token, so probably won't have to worry about slippage. And liquidity will be locked for 1,826 days on Uniswap. So Monatoken is the name of the token. LISA is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 trillion LISA tokens. So it says, inspired by the 4chan meme, powered by Shibarium Layer 2 technology, devs are about to make a massive push. So take this golden opportunity to get in early, top trading volume, base team, contract renounced, no taxes, liquidity locked for 5 years, audit passed, long-term market cap over LP ratio, 70% supply burned, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap fast track. Then we got CoinMarketCap, DEX tools trending, ETH AveDex trending, 200 plus callers, 30 plus KOLs, Shiba, Pepe, and Floki whales, hashtag Mona season. So they do have a Telegram if you want to follow that. Their Telegram is at Monatoken, and there's already 10,581 members on their Telegram, 216 of them online. It says, distributed, though many have attempted, few have been successful. I am the usher of a brand new era of decentralized money, inspired by the 4chan meme, powered by Shibarium Layer 2 technology. So that's what it says on their Telegram there. Now, they also have a Twitter, and as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find that. At Monatoken, they have the blue verified check mark, 315 tweets, 22,800 Twitter followers already, so they're doing very well. They have the announcement in their pinned tweet talking about when their pre-sale is going to be, so you can basically find all of the info right here on their Twitter. They also have a link to their webpage, as you can see there, Monatoken.com. They also have their partners are listed on here. Like it says, featured on Ape O'Clock DeFi calendar. They also have, just a whole bunch of information on here. They even have a Digital Journal news article already on this token and a Benzinga article. So it looks like they've been doing a lot of advertising. So even a tweet from September 26th, it says, burn baby burn. They have an Etherscan transaction that you could check out, and it says burnt 20% of the total supply today. And you can check out that burn, the Etherscan for that. So all sorts of cool tweets here, cool updates. So check all that out on their Twitter. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, it says 70% of the tokens get burnt. We got 6.248% of the tokens going to exchange listings and Shiba Swap. So Shiba Swap is another swap similar to Uniswap or Pancake Swap, just a decentralized exchange. Liquidity gets 7.752% of the tokens, and 16% of the tokens go to Presale. Now, there is a free and quick light audit here by Block Seifu in the discussion section on Pinksale, and it says, owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot set blacklist. Owner cannot set fees. Owner cannot pause trading. Proxy contract and token is not found. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. There's no bad warnings or anything like that. Now it says powered by Shibarium Layer 2. It has their contract address right on their webpage, their social links. They have a contact email if you want to contact them. It's a marketing email, contract renounced, and LP lock, no tax. And then they have a roadmap. So starting with phase 1, it says create stealth launch marketing, launch on Uniswap and Shiba Swap. Social media marketing and decentralized exchange trending. Then we got launch of the official white paper, audit, smart contract, listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Phase 2 is going to be multiple decentralized exchange trendings, community team building, ask me anythings, buy bot trending, 100,000 Twitter followers, 100,000 Instagram followers, 100,000 Telegram group members. Phase 3 is going to be Monatoken staking, listing on major exchanges, influencer marketing push, launch of merchandise, further partnerships, and further project development. And yeah, that is basically about it. So check it all out, monatoken.com. Check out their social right here. Check them out on Pinksale. You still have about 6 days to get involved in this pre-sale before it starts. They do have a 5% affiliate link if you want to share that with people on Pinksale. And that's basically about it. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys leave a comment down there letting me know what you guys think about the Monatoken. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens, what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.